Hello my friends and welcome. I am out here going to be decorating my front porch for Easter. And as you can see, it's snowing outside. I'm wearing a winter coat. It is end of March. We have a couple weeks before Easter. I still have all of my winter front porch decor stuff here. So I wanted to change it up, kind of brighten it up a little bit because it is kind of crummy out here. We are going to be away next week. So I wanted to get it done so that way when I come back to brightness, because I will be coming back from sunshine. So I wanted to decorate it, get it all spruced up for Easter. I will have a spring front porch decorated me later once all of this bad weather is gone and we can actually maybe do some planting in the pots and actually leave some plants out so they survive and the frost is gone and all that stuff. So for now I have lots to clean up, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what my plans are first. So as you can see, I still have all of my winter decor out. This is not the Christmas decor because I did have Christmas stuff out, and in January I had cleaned it up and just left some of the greenery. So this is what the greenery looks like at the beginning of April, pretty much end of March. So it's pretty much done, no more green. It all turned yellow and dried, but I want to get it all packed up and then switch out some decor. I'm going to be switching out all of this because all of that needs to be put away. So I'm going to get started with the cleanup.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that
Usually I like to give a front porch a wash between the switching out for the seasons, but it was way too cold for that, and I'm pretty sure the water still wasn't turned on in the for outside. So I just swept up all the mess and cleaned the doors, the glass on the doors. That's about as far as I went with the deep cleaning. So once the deep clean was done, I proceeded on decorating my pots. And again, because it is still very cold, it was, I think, feel like minus 16 as I'm decorating for Easter and spring outside. So I cannot put any plants because they will all die. So I'm just resorting to putting some artificial plants, some of this yellow dogwood, which I think it looks really nice. And then I'm just going to add a couple pussy willows in between. And as you can see, I am keeping those birch branches on. I've been decorating this way for a while, so if you've been following along for a while, you've probably seen this before. Speaking of following along, if you are stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonja, and on this channel I share tons of decorating inspiration as well as some cleaning motivation, and coming your way this summer will be tons of home reno ideas. So if this is something that you think you might enjoy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss on any of the uploads.
life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
I also decided to decorate this small pot. This is just a pot that I think certain plants came in, maybe some months in fall, I can't really remember. So I'm just going to add in this one some dogwood as well as pussy willows, and then I'm going to also add my little DIY bunny as well as a little bird's nest in, and I think it just looks so cute and such a Easterish spring little setup.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So in this corner, I wanted to create a little not a vignette, but a little setup, and so I'm adding this hippity hoppity sign that I DIY'd on my DIY channel as well, and also a little lantern, and adding this moss bunny up here as well. All of these items I have DIY'd over on my DIY channel, and I will try and link them all up in the description box for you to check out if you want to make any of them yourself.
Really wanna know if I will ever figure out.
On the doors, I'm going to be adding my egg wreaths. I've had these for several years and picked them up at a local nursery, and I just absolutely love them.
The road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky.
I have to be very careful as to what I add here, because we've had some pretty big winds and it kind of just picks up things and takes it with it. So in this corner, I'm adding a basket and filling it up with some artificial plants, as well as some wood carrots for a little bit of weight in the basket. And then I'm just going to add some more different types of carrots and some eggs.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So it is all done. I do love the way it turned out. I'm going to give you a little tour, and I hope you had enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.